manipulating train running with popular actress Sunsha. No one came forward to help. The incident of flirting in moving train with Malayalam actress Sunsha Santosh came out. According to Sunsha, when this was getting tampered with, no one was able to help them in the train. However, the police has arrested the accused. Hands were placed on lips. The 23-year-old actress was traveling in the Sunsha Maveli Express. According to reports, Sunsha was sleeping on the top of the train. He opened his sleep and saw that a man kept his hands on his lips. When he made a voice for help, no one came. In an interview given to her TV channel, Sunsha said that I felt something on my lips, which opened my sleep. I was surprised to see the man's hand. I grabbed his hand and twisted his finger. I asked for help from the person in my berth, but he did not help. Scriptwriters help. According to Sunsha, only scriptwriter Unni and passenger Ranjit helped him during this development. Actress kept the accused till then. Unni and Ranjit did not come with TTE. According to the actress, when T was informed about this, he called the next railway police. After reaching Thrissur, railway police arrested the accused. Sunsha has recorded his statement. Actress angry. After the medical examination of the accused, the police has presented it to the magistrate. Police said that the accused has filed a case under Section 354 of the IPC. At the same time, the actress said that she is shocked and sad to see this behavior of the people. People's feelings have remained limited to social media only. If I had written this incident in social media, then many people would be present and my support. Today,